portion of this video is sponsored by FilterBuy. Hello everyone. Today's vlog is going to be a little bit different. I filmed something a while ago. I did a fun deep cleaning vlog, so I'm going to be posting that for today. So enjoy a fun deep cleaning montage. Good morning everyone. It is 7:45. I am packing all my stuff, getting ready to go to a workout class at 8. So, gotta go. I'm a little scared because I just demolished half a bag of pistachios. I don't know if it's healthy for one person to eat this many. Say hi. We as a household have been in quite the declutter, minimalize place. Alicia's been cleaning out her entire closet and glam room. I've been cleaning out my closet and room. The house is a disaster. We have so many just things that we're donating, clothes that we're donating, furniture. Our workout room has become a bit of a storage unit for a bunch of stuff that we're trying to get rid of. Our desks aren't even recognizable, and that's just kind of where we're at in this house right now. So I'm sure you guys can imagine. I can't handle it. I can barely breathe right now. It's stressing me out so much. For today, I thought I would, do a little deep cleaning of the house. I know you guys love these cleaning videos, and I'm just gonna say it. I love to clean. So it works out for the both of us. Today is definitely one of those deep cleaning moments though. I need to do the floor. I need to do the windows and mirrors, dishes, take the trash out because trash comes tomorrow. There's dusting. I even am planning on cleaning out my air filters because they're getting pretty gross. There's a lot of things that needs to be done today, and I just felt like, you know what? It's been a while since we've done a cleaning montage, so that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna put in a podcast and I'm going to get it done. And that's my plan. I'm gonna suit up right now and get to it. Okay, before we get started cleaning, I have to take a moment to shout out today's sponsor. Today's sponsor couldn't be more fitting for today's video, and I did not plan that. This portion of the video is sponsored by FilterBuy. You guys know this, I've talked about it before. I have insane allergies. One of my main ones is dogs, and I have dogs in my house all the time, so I'm constantly having trouble breathing and having to take medication for that. One of the biggest things that helps me the most is having good air filters in the house and staying on top of switching out said air filters. FilterBuy's American-made replacement air filters guaranteed to fit any air filter in your house. Did you know that you need to replace your air filters every 3 months? I doubt it. I doubt you did because I didn't. This is something that happens when you turn 30 and you live in a home. FilterBuy guarantees free shipping anywhere in the United States. FilterBuy has over 600 different size air filter replacements for you to choose from, so it doesn't matter what size you got, they have one that'll fit for you. And something that should be said that is way bigger than anyone actually gives it credit for is they will ship within 24 hours. You can purchase your air filter and they'll ship it within 24 hours, which is just unheard of. I love a clean house, and I love when a house is clean from the inside out, and that includes air filters. So if you want to purchase your own replacement air filter from FilterBuy, go to filterbuy.com right now and start shopping. That portion of the video was sponsored by FilterBuy. Okay, I am all suited up, ready to go. My headphones are charged, so I can go for a few hours if I want to. I have Smartless ready to go. This is the podcast I'm currently obsessed with. They're interviewing Jerry Seinfeld, which is huge. I swear, the people that they interview on their podcast, they're massive, and I'm obsessed. So, listening to this now, let's start cleaning. I really quickly wanted to interrupt the time lapse because Miss Remy Ashton went to the Asian market for us and got us apples and pears. And this market has the world's largest apples. Like, look at this in comparison to my head. They're phenomenal. They're so good. But look at how big this is. It's massive. And here's the pears. I'm not exaggerating, guys. This is a full meal. This is the size of a softball in comparison to my head. Wild. Okay, that's all. Back to cleaning. Not entirely sure how this always happens with our fake plants, but every once in a while a tree, leaf, or branch or something will just break off, and it's so annoying. So I have to like come in here and cut it. Alicia and I went really crazy on Sephora because they had a sale the other day. So we just went and grabbed like a bunch of things, like necessities that we know we're gonna need more of. So here's a quick haul for you. Ways dry shampoo, Tarte's under eye masks. Sunday Riley is one of my go-tos and it's so expensive. So because they had 20% off, I was like, let me get as much as I can. So I got Good Jeans, which is normally like $120, and I wear this daily. And then I got their high dose retinoid serum, which is one of my faves, and I've only had a mini, but because it was 20% off, I was like, ooh, let me just upgrade myself to the full size. I'm very excited for this. And then I got a little milk stick. Alicia got me trying hers, and I've used it a couple times and loved it, so I finally got my own, but I got a little mini one because I don't go too hard with it, and I feel like this will be good enough for me. Very excited for that. I don't know how obvious it is through the camera, but I just cleaned for hours. Like I listened to 3 podcasts and cleaned all of downstairs, and it took a really long time and I'm exhausted. So I don't have any more plans the rest of the night, but I'm probably going to not leave the couch for a minute. Might pour myself a glass of wine, might even go crazy and take a bath. I'm not sure yet. You wanna give us a haul?
Of my yeah. An exclusive haul.
An exclusive haul.
I needed a new makeup cleansing balm, and this was the first one I ever tried by Glow Recipe, the papaya sorbet one, and Rem mentioned it the other day and I was like, oh my god, I need a new one. And it was 20% off for the VIB sale, so I was like, well, let's stock up. She also told me to get the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. I really never use a setting spray, but she was raving about this and she said it's amazing. She puts it on before her makeup and after, and it's literally like her makeup doesn't move for like hours. So if Remy tells you to get something, you get it. I got a new NARS eyeshadow primer because mine's definitely running low, and then I got the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette for contouring because this has always been a tried and true.
You've been using that for years.
And then Burnett the Label sent me this. How cute is this?
Cute.
And then it has a matching like really nice terry set.
Oh, that's
like really nice. That's my haul.
That's the haul. Bye.